In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a classroom site on Google Sites, ensuring that it's fast and easy. So grab your computer and let's get started. First off, open your preferred web browser and head to Google Search. In the search bar, type in Google Sites and hit Enter. You're likely to see Google Sites as the top result. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will direct you to the Google Sites main page. Now, if you're seeing the Google Sites homepage, you're in the right place. Look for the plus icon, or sometimes it might show as Create, and click on it. This will open up a new blank page for you to start building your site. Once you're on this blank page, you'll want to name your site. You can do this by navigating to the top left corner. Click there and enter your project's name. This name will identify your site, so make sure it's clear and relevant to your classroom needs. It's time to add a title to your site, which will appear to visitors immediately. Find your site's main header or title section, click on it, and type in a welcoming or descriptive title. This area is quite significant as it sets the tone for your entire site. With your title in place, the next thing to do is plan your essential site pages. On the right menu, find and click on the Pages section. There's a plus icon, which you should click, then choose New Page. For a classroom site, consider creating multiple pages like Home, About Us, Services or Products, Testimonials or Clients, and a Contact page. Each serves a different purpose. Home provides an overview. About Us tells your story and shares your mission. Services or products detail what you offer. Testimonials provide social proof, and Contact allows for communication via forms or direct links. Moving on to aesthetics, you deserve a site that looks as good as it is informative. Click on Theme within the menu options. This section allows you to select different color palettes and text styles to fit your brand or classroom theme. Have fun experimenting until you find the perfect look that resonates with your classroom's style. Finally, after you've made all your edits and customizations, it's essential to make your website live. Look for the Publish button at the top right corner of your screen and click it. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the publication of your site. Once completed, your classroom site is officially available for your students and visitors to access. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Sites classroom site both quickly and effortlessly. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to craft engaging online spaces for your educational endeavors. Happy site building!